We have all faced the disappointment of discovering rust on our beloved tools. But fear not, in today's video, we will share a foolproof step-by-step method to remove rust and breathe new life into your trusty companions. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Safety first. Before we begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to safeguard your skin and eyes from any chemicals or debris. Work in a well-ventilated area or consider wearing a respirator if you are dealing with chemical substances. Now that we have safety covered, let's move on to the step-by-step process of removing rust from your tools. Step 1. Gather supplies. For this process, you will need a few supplies: rust remover or penetrating oil, wire brush or steel wool, sandpaper, protective coatings such as rust converter or primer, clean cloth or rag, lubricating oil or wax. Step 2. Assessment. Inspect your tools and identify the areas affected by rust. It's important to assess the extent of rust to determine the most appropriate treatment method. Step 3. Remove loose rust. Use a wire brush or steel wool to gently scrub away loose rust from the affected areas. This step helps prepare the surface for further treatment. Step 4. Apply rust remover. Apply a rust remover or penetrating oil to the rusty areas. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and allow it to soak in for the recommended duration. This will help break down and loosen stubborn rust. Step 5. Scrub and sand. After the rust remover has done its job, scrub the surface with a wire brush or steel wool. Then use coarse grit sandpaper to remove any remaining rust. Follow it up with fine grit sandpaper to smoothen the surface. Step 6. Protect and lubricate. To prevent future rusting, apply a protective coating such as a rust converter or primer. Once the coating has dried, add a layer of lubricating oil or wax to keep your tools in great shape. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing rust from reoccurring. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks.